Any. How much? How many? So we are going to be talking about these quantitative words and how they can be used. How do we use them? When do we use them? So, and we are going to be talking more about food and shopping using these words.
World where learning leads the way, we grow stronger every single day. With a smile, with passion, with truth. Welcome to Teach Feed with IU.
Now the objective of the lesson, the first objective is to be able to use some and any correctly. So the reason why we are studying this lesson is for you to be able to use some and any correctly. The second objective is for you to be able to ask questions with how much and how many. Boom! If you make noise again, you step out of the class. Okay, so the second objective is to ask questions with how much and how many. And the third objective is to talk about food and shopping using these words. Shan. Okay, so now that we know the objectives of the lesson, the next thing we are going to look at, there are pictures in your textbook. Open to page 69. Open to page 69.
6
Open to page 69. There are some pictures there. The first question is, which food can you count? We have different kinds of food here. Which one can you count? Is there any food that we can count? No. Okay. And which ones can you not count? There's butter, there's cheese, there's vegetable, and the rest. Okay. So now these ones you cannot count them. Why can you not count them? Because they are uncountable, right? We can't count them. So looking at some and any. We use some for positive sentences. So whenever you're making a positive sentence, you use some. For example of a positive sentence. There are some books on the table. Another example. There are some. There are some pencils in my pencil case, okay? And the last example. There are some books again. That's a good example of books. Use something else.
There
are some students in the classroom. Okay. So we use some for positive sentences and we use some for offers. If you want to make an offer, for example.
How much money do you want?
That's the question.
Do you
want some money? Go to question, but it's like an offer. Can I have some books, please? These are all offers, okay? And now, the next one is any. When do we use any? We use any for questions and for negative sentences. So remember, you can't use any for positive or affirmative sentence. No. You can't use some for questions. You cannot say, can you give me, sorry, that's like an offer. You can't say, there aren't some books on the table. No. Because some is only for positive, and any is for questions. So we use any for questions and for negative sentences. Example of questions with any. Example. Do you have any books? Are there any books on the table? Are there any apples in the refrigerator? Okay, and for negative sentences, example. There isn't any money in my pocket. Okay, another question.
Are there any milk in the fridge?
Is there, very good. Is there any milk in the fridge? Is there any milk in the fridge? Are there any students in the classroom? So we use questions with any. Okay, the next thing is examples of some and any. I have some bread. There is some cheese in the fridge. There is some cheese. Do you have any milk? I don't have any juice. So if you look at these examples, you realize that we use some for affirmative sentences or positive sentences, and we use any for questions and negative sentences. Okay. And the next thing is how much and how many. How much and how many. So we use how much to talk about uncountable nouns. What are uncountable nouns? I didn't say example, I said what? Uncountable nouns are nouns that cannot be counted, that we cannot count them. For example, money, water, okay, water, oil, and the rest. Okay, the next is how many. We use how many for countable nouns. We use how many for countable nouns. Boom! What are countable nouns? What are countable nouns? Things that we can count. Very good. Countable nouns are things that we can count. For example of countable nouns. Books, tables, chairs, classrooms, people, okay, etc. Now examples with how much and how many. How much milk do you want? Can you count milk? No. So we use how much? How much cheese is there? Can we count cheese? No. So we use how much? How many apples are there? Can we count apples? Yes. And please remember, whenever you talk about how many apples, you know that the noun should be in the plural form. Okay? The noun should be in the plural form, which means it should take an S or ES. And how many X do you need? How many X do you need? So we see because X is countable, we have how many? Practice. There is some bread. Do you have any eggs? Do you have any eggs? How much milk? Many. How much milk is there? How many bananas? How many bananas are there? Okay. And
just deliver them because when you draw a little chapter, there's a great emphasis up there. Swipe.
you want me to do it directly?
Yeah, and you can just mix up
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, so we go to the next pair word at the shop. So we are just going to take two birds, only two birds, for example. At the shop, how much milk do you want? I want some milk. How much milk do you want? I want some milk. Now I want you to change your two words.